Khasi Students Union hynne sngi pynlong jingiaid paidbah daka jingthmu bentur Iingdorbar Thaw Ain pyrshah jingthmu jong Sorkar mynjur amendment jong Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act arja arpsau wanrah lynti thain Rilum Khasi-Jaintia. Daka bara lang lama rong blue ki banner ki placard ki dkhot KSU ki pyrta slogan ru pyrshah MSIPF bat lynti Henry dkhot KSU la Lad no di Bor District but ki pulit Lad Rilbong lynti binyat Iingdorbar Thaw Ain. KSU kala dawan ka Sorkar bakan wengno jingpen kala MSIPF dak bakeno bakani kan ai bor IMA bakan thiet ban ai jaka ki nongkan showkam kabalong pyrshah jingthmu jong Meghalaya Land Transfer Act. KSU kala pyrshah ru jingthmu jong Sorkar ban wanrah lynti namar ka jingbamdan ki an ki ban perking jingwan rong ban puhaisnong ki barjala.
We are compelled to come here and stage a protest here near the assembly due to the fact that we have been conveying our message to the government that we vehemently oppose the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act and also the introduction of railways, whether in Jaintia Hills or any other parts of the Khasi-Jaintia Hills. So with regards to the MSIPF, Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act, we at first gave a press briefing in the Shillong Press Club, that is on the last week of January. We have sent a clear message to the government that this act is draconian, it is anti-tribal, and it will be like we are giving away all our lands to different companies, outside investors, which is detrimental because we are going to lose huge swaths of land. And we also understand that tribal without land is as good as death. So that is what we have conveyed to the government. But the government did not respond. So after that, we sent a letter to the Chief Minister regarding this act, and we have mentioned all of the clauses there in the act which is anti-people, which is not people-friendly, which is detrimental to the tribals of the state. We have asked the government to omit such points because the act is it contradicts the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act, although it was mentioned in the act that it will not bypass the Transfer Act. But if government can purchase land directly and give them to different outside investors, huge hectares of land, then what is the stand of the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act? We have sent a copy to the Chief Minister and also forwarded copies to all the 60 legislators of the state. But till then also we did not get any response. As a matter of fact, the government had introduced a few days back the amendment to the MSIPF. But we can see that the amendment is just an eyewash. It is very weak, it is still more or less the same. So therefore we are compelled to come here and stage a protest in order to voice our concern regarding the ramifications that the MSIPF will have on the tribals, the indigenous tribals of the state. If the government does not revoke this act, then the KSU will be forced to take other measures.
No LP! No railway! No LP! No railway! No LP! No railway! No railway! No LP! No railway! No LP! No railway!